ArtStor is a database that has 2.5 million images from nearly 300 museums, libraries, archives, scholars, artists, and photo agencies from around the world. Use this resource to see art and design from a specific historical period, study a specific artist's work, or add visuals to your next presentation. From the SCC Library homepage, click on Research and select Databases by Subject. Find ArtStor under the Art section and log in with your MEID. If you know the artist or title of a work, or want to browse by keyword, type it in the search box at the top. Click on any item to see a larger version of the image and more details. Zoom in by clicking on the image or the plus button to view the piece up close. If you want to use this item for an assignment, you can click on Cite this item to show an auto-generated citation. Remember to always double-check the citation before using it in an assignment. You can click on the artist's name to see more works in this database by the artist. You can also browse existing art collections, art mediums, or geographic locations by hovering over Browse and clicking on ArtStor Collections. This landing page called Collections displays a list of museums and other institutions that supply ArtStor with materials. Click on Classification to browse by art medium. Select a specific type of art to browse. Use the filters on the left-hand side to further narrow down your results, like by geographic area or date range. If you need more assistance using ArtStor, contact an SCC librarian or use the Ask a Librarian chat feature on our homepage.